Welcome to our channel, Disassembly. This video tutorial is about how you can fix iPhone 11 network related issues like no service, searching only, and the message with cellular update failed. In that cases, don't restore your iPhone, otherwise you will stuck on activation screen with unable to active. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit bell for new video update notification. If the phone was in powered on condition, then remove battery always first. Remove battery always before doing any hardware job. Remove LCD and touch flex carefully. If you made force cause damage touch flex, such fault can be seen on iPhone XR 11 series must. Let's observe the PCB status. PCB status looks prior repair sign. Let's separate PCB carefully. Force may break parts. This is a strange fault. Why this happened and what the solution is. This video covers all the processes and way of fixing. Keep watching this video till the end. Clean all parts carefully. Such fault mostly shows on forcefully dropped iPhone. On iPhone 11 series, after force drop, then the boost coil and the capacitor or filter near BB CPU and near network related IC that easily broken or loose. Clean all parts carefully. In my cases, the coil is missing after drop that can be seen in my donor board too. Check this first if you got any problem like that. On that iPhone is also the same cause, so I made a jumper on both missing coil. Near network related IC that easily broken or loose. Rebel middle layer. Put some plugs. Let's join both upper and lower PCB. Cool down for 5 minutes. Put all flags in correct position like before. On Astig has 06 has IMEI shows. Setting not freeze. You can see modem firmware here. Now insert the SIM and check. Network appears means problem was fixed. Now the iPhone is ready for call and receive. If you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We will respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you even get a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video. Subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.